Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today we have an unboxing of the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Absolutely crazy great phone. And guys, in this video we're going to see what it actually looks like and the size of it. So let's go ahead and pull off the back. The beautiful peel that everybody freaking loves. Anyway though, let's go ahead and open this up. And there we are. I did get the graphite edition of this iPhone. And we'll take a look at it in 1 second. It's absolutely humongous, in all honesty. In the box, of course, you get no charger other than the cable. You no longer get the power brick. So that is something that is different, of course. Other than that, though, that is pretty much it. Because, again, it does block off that where the power brick would be. And let's take a look at this phone, guys. So like I said, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I can't express this enough, guys. I'm so excited to be using this phone. I'm so excited to start using this in general. I mean, it's literally going to be such a difference having like the curved edges and everything. And just a feel of it. Already it feels bigger than my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which it is. So I'm not surprised, but overall, I'm just going to have to get used to that feeling, bro. Oh, this is weird, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Did you pick up an iPhone? Did you pick up an iPhone 12, a 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max? Did you pick up any of those? I definitely did. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.